how biker couples spend quality time together.
So we got up early this morning as we wanted to come to Edinburgh Triumph to take a good look at the new Trident 800.
So the engine in this bike is a 798cc liquid-cooled triple with 113 brake horsepower and 84 newton meters of torque. So compared that to the Trident 660, you're looking at a 40% gain in power and 31% gain in torque. So on this bike, we're looking at a fully adjustable suspension. On the front, you have the upside down 41mm Showa forks. And if you go back to the rear, you have the Showa monoshock. So no matter what type of rider you are, you can always dial it in to whatever suits your needs. So when it comes to rider aids, this has the Triumph 6-axis IMU, which is lean sensitive, cornering ABS and traction control, giving you that extra bit of safety.
The Trident 800 from floor to seat comes in at 810mm. Now I'm 5'7", and as you can see, I'm up on my tiptoes. However, I'm not in the most appropriate footwear, but if I was to be wearing it, it should give me more confidence. Now, if you're someone that wants to go out on the longer rides or you're thinking about touring, bonus, this bike also comes with cruise control. Now, also the bike comes with a 3.5-inch TFT screen display with My Triumph Bluetooth connectivity, showing navigation, music and calls as well. Triumph 800's main competitors on the market today being the Kawasaki Z900 and the Yamaha MT-09.
Starting price of this bike is £9,195, and the colour schemes you get is the Carnival Red, Jet Black and this Ash Grey, and each one come with the gold wheels as standard.
So if you have any queries, questions, contact Edinburgh Triumph and speak to either Michaela or Steve.